I'm gonna start by prepping the skin with Benefiant's Wrinkle Smoothing Cream. It creates a beautiful base for any complexion product. I'm gonna use Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation in shade 550 Jasper. Self-Refreshing Foundation is amazing because it fights oil, humidity, and even facial movements. So you get an all-day wear that gives you a beautiful medium coverage with a really natural look and feel. I'll add a little bit more dimension to the skin by highlighting with Synchro Skin Correcting Gel Stick Concealer. I'm gonna add more of a focus to the eye by using Kajal Ink Artist in Biroto Green. So you can sort of color the entire eyelid with the pencil and then softly smudge with the built-in sponge tip or with your finger. I'm going to add more depth with Kajal Ink Artist in Nippon Noir. To add a bit more of a soft focus effect and a little bit of texture, I'm just going to diffuse a really soft green and gold tone from the Essentialist eyeshadow palette in Namiki Street Nature. I'll finish framing the eye by curling the lashes and applying a few coats of Imperial Lash Mascara ink and Brow Ink Trio in Ebony to just add some definition and shape to the brow. I'm going to finish the look by priming with the primer side of Lip Liner Ink Duo, filling with the pencil side in shade Espresso, and then applying one of my favorite shades, Shadow Dancer. One last touch of Synchro Skin Invisible Silk Loose Powder to add a beautiful natural finish.